but are able to control
Stop!
the
I'm
lighting
actually really scared of
themselves.
that.
This leaves victims completely at their mercy once the lights go out.
The
These
fuck are y'all
entities are
doing?
sick, financial,
We're playing a
extremely
scary
strong,
game.
and
A scary game I can tell.
Oh,
Wait, what did they say? What did they
they
say?
move in the dark. Just know that.
Okay,
Oh my
so
god.
just keep on the light.
No, if you turn it on, they might run.
Okay.
Can't they will
Stop. Chichi's mic might actually scare me more.
Sorry, did you hear me move my chair?
Yes.
They're knocking, bro.
Oh, God.
Stop. I hate that audio so much. I'm
She's
scared.
huge, you
I'm
know!
scared. I don't even see her. I don't.
Bartholomew! Move your head! I can't see anything!
She's in the room.
I hate this.
Oh my god.
Son.
So just don't move her.
Bro! They're right there!
I died.
Help me!
How did I die?
It's because you touched them. Go! Juno, go! Juno, go!
With someone? I don't. I'm with Haley.
I respawn to respawn me! Don't touch them when you're walking
Wait,
past them.
where are you?
I can't see anything else. Look. Wait.
Okay, wait. I'm reviving you.
Oh, thank you. Bro.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm so scared.
I can't see anything either, bro.
They're getting louder. They, they were right behind me. I couldn't move. I died. That pissed me off so much, bro. I looked behind me. They were
She's getting louder.
staring right at me. Oh my god.
Bro, she's right there! Son! Son!
Oh, shit.